Hello, we are from Akar Control Chennai. We have wide range of products like billing machine, label printing system, beverage indicators, standard weighing machines.
Yeah.
We now introduce our new product range PIC 4K, which is industrial piece counting scale with 4000 recall memory. This unit is built with a complete stainless steel body and having the pan size of 200 by 250, which has got various features which is best suited for industrial piece counting application. We have big LED display for the weight and LCD display 2x16 for all other parameters. We have 4x4 keypad, which is for product recall, instant stamping, piece weight entering and set point entry. Besides this, we have two push buttons for tab and print. You can interface USB keyboard along with the unit for product name, product code and other parameter entries. We have facilities to enter the company name, and the unit is built in with real-time clock, and there is a RS-232 interface for connecting 80 column or 40 column printer. So the unit is provided with a tower lamp, which is 3 tier along with the buzzer, red, orange and green lamp. In case of check weighing application, either based on quantity or weight, you can set the set point and the respective alarm will get energized and you will get quantity packing along with the signal. For example, now the weight is below the set point, so it is giving orange lamp, and when the weight is near the set point, within the range you get green lamp, and the weight is beyond the set point, you will get red indication. The buzzer can be either in below or above range. As per the norms of the industry, we have provided a spirit level in the middle of the pan, and which can be adjusted with the 4 legs provided in the unit. Now let us start looking into the various functions of the equipment, that is a scale. Now I am just keeping the weight. You can press this tar key, and the moment you press the tar, T is displayed to indicate there is something tar weight in the memory, and once you remove the tar weight, the same key, when it is pressed, the T gets removed. It shows there is no tar weight inside the system. Generally in LCD display, the clock is shown along with the weight. Once you choose the PLU, for example, press the PLU recall key and enter the product number, press enter, and the respective product is shown along with the weight. Here you press the print key, directly printout is given along with the details of product name, date and time, unit weight, total weight, number of pieces. In case there is an error, for example, if the set quantity is 100 or the weight range is between 99.5 and 100.5, in this unit you can have a set point both as a quantity and weight. In case of quantity, it is a fixed number, say 100 numbers. You can set the quantity as 100. So when it is below, you get orange lamp indication, and if it is equal, it is green, and if it is more, then red. You have a facility to directly print in case of equal quantity or set quantity is reached. We have a special feature. For example, you need to pack 1000 pieces. The pan cannot accommodate more than say 500. So you have a add key wherein you press the enter key, the cumulative is shown, and in total the 1000 pieces is reached. You will get an indication alarm and direct printout is given. Similarly, we are providing a set key wherein once you press set, you have a set high limit, and similarly set low limit, both can be entered. This is one of the sample label which is printed in this unit, wherein you can have a company name, 2 lines. You can have different parameters from 1 to 8, wherein you can give customer name, product code, quantity, weight, date, operator, etc. All the parameters can be field programmable. In parameters, you have left, that is a fixed data, and the right side, which is the variable data. In case of variable data, which is actual, it will be taken automatically. In case of batch number or product code, which can be set by the user through product code, and which will be printed on the label. As shown in the second label, we can print company logo along with the name. So 2 to 3 logos can be stored, or product picture can also be stored and recalled as per the product code selected. Now let us look into the application of this product. Mainly, this product is designed to suit the requirement in pharma, shipping and shipper weighing, auto components packing. In case of pharma, we can have label as well as paper printing, and at the end of the day, the report can be taken to verify the number of shipping or shippers packed and the total weight. This is same PIC 4K, but in indicator form, which can be connected to any weighing platform. Similar functions is also designed in the same product, but meant for platform application. You can connect single load cell or 4 load cell platforms for industrial use.